Starting your first aquarium? Let me save you a ton of frustration, money, and time. If you want fish that are hardy, colorful, and easy to care for, this list is for you. The biggest mistake I see beginners make is picking fish that are just too delicate or aggressive. So, let's break down the best beginner fish. Tough, peaceful, and guaranteed to make your tank look awesome. Trust me, you'll want to hear about the last one on this list. It's way underrated and super rewarding. Before I jump in, think about the vibe you want from your tank. Do you picture a calm, zen space? Or maybe something more active and lively? That choice shapes your entire aquarium experience. Not just how it looks, but how easy it is to maintain. First up, betta fish. These are everywhere for a reason. Super colorful, loads of personality, and they thrive in smaller tanks. Just make sure you give them at least 5 gallons and good filtration. Bettas like their own space, so don't put them with other bettas or fin nippers. If you want a centerpiece fish with attitude, bettas are your go-to. Next, guppies. Want non-stop movement and a ton of color? Guppies have it all, plus they're super forgiving about water conditions. They'll turn your tank into a lively scene. Just remember, guppies breed fast, so if you don't want a tank full of babies, stick to males or keep an eye on their numbers. Let's talk platies. These guys are tough as nails. They handle just about any beginner mistake, and they're peaceful, colorful, and perfect for a community tank. Their calm swimming adds a chill vibe, and they're super easy to care for. Don't sleep on Corydoras catfish. Most beginners overlook bottom dwellers, but Corys are awesome. They clean up leftovers and are super peaceful. Keep them in groups of 3 or more, and they'll show off their best behaviors. Not algae eaters, but fantastic for keeping the tank balanced. Finally, zebra danios. If you worry about making mistakes, these are the fish for you. They're hardy, energetic, and love being in a group. They'll handle a learning curve and still keep your tank active and fun. One thing I see all the time, cloudy water or sick fish. Usually it's from overfeeding or not cycling the tank first. Go slow, feed lightly. Let your filter do its job. Test your water weekly. Stable conditions beat any fancy setup. Picking the right beginner fish sets you up for success. Start simple, learn the basics, and your tank will thrive. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and join our aquarium family. We're all about learning, sharing, and relaxing with fish. See you in the next one.